What is up, gamers? In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your computer for the best possible gaming experience. I'm going to walk you through the best settings to ensure your computer is running at peak performance. We will be covering a variety of settings, including the enabling of hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling and variable refresh rate for smoother graphics, setting a high-performance power plan to give the computer the energy it needs to perform, enabling game mode, and disabling background apps so that all resources are focused on your game, processor scheduling, virtual memory, and more. First, we're enabling hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. This feature allows your graphics card to manage its own memory, reducing latency and increasing the fluidity of your graphics. This can lead to a smoother gaming experience. Next, we are enabling variable refresh rate, which synchronizes your monitor's refresh rate with the game's frame rate. This reduces screen tearing and makes movement appear much smoother. Then, we're setting your computer's power plan to high performance. This will make sure that your computer is not limiting the power to any hardware, ensuring peak performance. After that, we'll enable game mode. Game mode prioritizes game processes and reduces background activity. This will allow the computer to focus on the game you are playing. Disabling background apps prevents unnecessary programs from running in the background. This helps free up system resources, which can lead to improved performance for your game. Now, we are adjusting the processor scheduling to favor programs. This will give priority to the programs you are actively using instead of background services. This helps in making the game run smoother. Next, we are setting up virtual memory to make sure that your computer can handle heavy loads. Finally, we are deleting temporary files, which often slow down your computer. This will clean up the computer and free up space. The last thing we're doing here is setting up specific game settings. We're setting high performance for individual games. We are also disabling full screen optimizations and enabling high DPI scaling override for those games. This ensures the games use the computer's resources effectively. Alright, let's continue optimizing this computer for maximum performance. First up, we have System Restore Point. Creating one of these is like taking a snapshot of your current computer settings, so if anything goes wrong, you can revert back. It's a safety net, and I highly recommend doing this before making any changes. Next, we have GPU preemption. This setting allows the graphics card to better manage its tasks, potentially reducing input lag and improving gaming performance. This setting should be enabled for a smoother experience. Then there's NVIDIA telemetry. Disabling this stops the collection of your usage data, which can help protect your privacy, and it also reduces background processes. Next up is Flush DINS. Doing this clears your computer's DINS cache, which can help with resolving connection issues and improving your internet browsing experience. Clearing temp files? This removes unnecessary files from your computer, which can free up storage space and make your computer run more efficiently. Next, we have game optimization. This setting prioritizes resources to be allocated to games, which can improve gaming performance by giving games the needed resources. System responsiveness. This setting reduces menu delays and app timeouts, making your computer feel faster and more responsive overall. Then there's Windows optimization, which disables background syncing, visual effects, and improves memory management. This makes the computer feel more snappy. Performance Boost. This is a collection of multiple settings, like improving USB controller response, network optimization, power settings, and memory management to reduce system overhead and give your games more resources. NVIDIA GPU tweaks. This is a collection of optimizations to improve your graphics card performance, reduces input lag, and makes games run smoother. Lastly, we have Remove Bloatware. This removes unnecessary pre-installed apps which can free up space and resources, leading to a cleaner and faster computer. And finally, Restart Computer. After doing all of this, a restart is recommended to make sure all the changes take effect, so make sure to save everything you are doing before doing so.